Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour. Là.
Oh my god.
Allô.
Hai con có đồng ý dù ốm đau hay bệnh tật vẫn bên nhau trọn đời. Hai con có đồng ý không?
Kasongo yeah Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Sona libala Oh yeah Kasongo mbona wewe
Hayali watu washaruka na blandi. Hivi mnaokufa na stressi mnatesekea mkiwa wapi?
Yeah? Good. Do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, I have a boyfriend.
Can you remove your glasses?
I have a boyfriend, yeah.
You have a...
I have a boyfriend. What the fuck?
Oh my...
You have a boyfriend.
So what's up? How are you?
Tạc à? Mong là bà.
Ni讲这说好吃啊？
如果不是亲眼所见，我是万万不敢相信的。
你拉。
哎呦我的妈！
你别笑！我操！哟！那你呢？我的！
No, babe. Babe, no, babe. Babe, no, babe. Babe, no, babe. No, babe. Ah!
Na ball. You play ball, leg ball.
Coach, I next time for the play ball. Don't follow it. You not fit for play ball. Now who want to work for the play ball?
No mind, man.
What?
Kasongo yeah. Mombali nanga. Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh yeah. Kasongo mbona wewe. Mbona wewe.
What? Oh my God.
We all want something that put a smile on our face.
Who is Monica, love?
I don't know. I'm just seeing it now.
Who is Monica?
I don't know, that babe. I'm just
Are
seeing
you
it.
not the one that saved the number? Hello?
Hello, baby. How are you?
God save me, say I'm Africa.
Babe, this is your phone. Who is Monica?
Bakize bamera nk'ibigori.
Bakize wowe wise byakumara
Benze yambe.
wowe uko wise setande byakumara iki?
Reka ngubwire benze. N'umuntu wayi.
Urwego rw'abitangiye
Nta kibazo.
cyatanga.
Sister, zamani.
Mkaka mshenzi. Yaani sio kila mwanamke unayemwona barabarani unadhani malaya, mpumbavu wewe na adabu.
Sister, mimi sina shida na namba yako. Hii ni simu yako ndio ulidondosha pale nyuma. Shika.
Kumanina.
Nisikilize kwa makini. Sio kila mtu anayekusimamisha basi anataka namba yako. Jifunze dunia kuelimika. Kila la heri.
Hello?
Uramufasha?
Aramutse neza wowe.
Shanze ntabwo meze neza sinishimye pe.
Ntabwo meze neza Paul.
Nyine nshaka kumbwira utugambo twiza ahari wasanga navuga neza.
Nshaka utugambo tugushyira muri mood se.
Yego.
Reka mubwire amagambo njye numva bavuga.
She's off.
What? Bro, you don't mean that shop by shop. You don't mean that shop by shop. क्यों नहीं खाएगा
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
This is balloon prank. So the man was pranked. When he noticed the man is pumping the tire on the phone call.
Hello. Wajib Pak gila tu.
Hah?